Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Notes and start a new note now. You tap the Notes app, then the Compose button at bottom right to create a blank note. That first action bookmarks a workspace. Use the camera or scan option immediately to capture receipts or whiteboards because embedding media organizes context faster. Once done, give the note a clear title at top so search finds it. Make sure to enable iCloud Sync in Settings your name iCloud Notes, so your note is backed up across devices. Organize notes using folders and tags to keep projects separated. You create a folder from the main list with the new folder icon, then drag or move notes into it. Tags offer cross-folder indexing when you add a hashtag inline. Once you add text, press and hold to format, insert checklist, table, or bulleted lists. Formatting improves scannability. Make sure to tap the share icon to export a PDF or send via mail for collaboration. That preserves timestamps and attachments. Also learn to lock sensitive notes with Face ID. Finalize by reviewing and cleaning duplicates before relying on notes as a reference. You open Settings Notes to set default account and sorting so newest or edited notes surface. That reduces hunting. Archive or delete obsolete items, then use search with date or tag filters to confirm coverage. If syncing fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or toggle notes in iCloud. This resolves most issues. If a note disappears, check Recently Deleted before restoring. Also,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.